Use Spocket with Shopify. Follow these steps. Create an Spocket account. Visit the Spocket website and sign up for a free account. Choose a subscription plan that fits your business needs, including a free trial option. Install the Spocket app on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the app section and click Visit Shopify App Store. Search for Spocket and click Add App to install it. Authorize the app to connect it to your Shopify store. Browse products. Open the Spocket dashboard to explore a wide range of products from suppliers, primarily in the US and Europe. Use filters to narrow down options based on categories, shipping times, and prices. Import products. Select products you wish to sell and click Add to Import List. Customize product details, including titles, descriptions, and pricing. Push products to Shopify. After finalizing your product details, click Push to Store to list them on your Shopify site. Manage orders. When customers place orders, Spocket automates fulfillment by sending order details to suppliers. Track shipment and update customers automatically.